5 cents against Capital One?
Masaya, of course. Ang haba ng games, kami 5 setters, pero kaya masaya. Not that easy integrating the new players sa team, pero we'll get there.
Thank you, Coach. And AC, best player of the game with 18 points. This is your debut weekend for Zeus Coffee. Ano lang siguro yung feeling na ito, you're finally in the PBL and your second game nakapag-best player of the game?
At first, it's very overwhelming, pero throughout today and yesterday naman, naging support system ko yung coaches and yung teammates ko. So, overall, nakapag-adjust naman ako and na mas better na yung feeling players.
The floor is open for questions.
Coach, yung short turnaround lang from last night and marami sa inyo ba? Kumbaga, paano lang dinil yung loss last night na makabawi this time?
Okay naman kami last night kasi okay kami sa nilaro namin. Talo, pero hindi naman ganun ka-hirap. Like we have to move forward. Yun naman yung business eh. So, laro lang, ensayo, laro, correction.
Sa yung AC dito sa first 2 games mo sa pros na siguro yung pinaka-take na nasimulan?
Naging takeaway ko na it's very different from what I'm used to sa college. Also, nag-middle ako. So, very fast dito sa pro, but I'm really still just adjusting. Siyempre, with the team then, since less than a month pa simula nung na-draft nila ako. So, overall, I think it's been good naman for us. So, 5 sets today and yesterday, pero nanalo today. And I think mas malaya ko kumarating ng team throughout the season. Yun nga, nung second set, medyo hindi na ako nakakapatay. So, hinalap ako nila coach and yung teammates ko rin po na magkaroon ng variations sa ginagawa ko. So, naging effective naman since nakahabol kami nakalaba kami ng fourth set and nakuha namin yung win.
Coach, kahit po ba sa inyo yung Zeus Coffee halos kalahati yung mga proven veterans yung mga kalahati mo kasi rookies or young players. How do you handle the challenge na magkaibang approach magkaibang approach for their experience?
Yeah, it's basically still volleyball. So, it's challenging, pero the staff is very eager na i-train yung mga bago, na i-integrate yung mga bago into the whole system. So, mas matagal ang practices ngayon kasi nga, sa dami ng gusto namin ipagawa, sa dami ng gusto namin ituro sa kanila, yung coaches very eager na magturo. Masaya. So, challenging, pero masaya.
And for racing, from season 87, transition mga middle sa second back to middle. Medyo nahihirapan ko kasi kung i-unleash yung top potential ng middle na ang daming changes na nangyari sa constantly from the position change sa UA, then entering the pros, playing the training system. Has it been challenging or have you been coping naman with all these changes happening for you?
Yes, to be honest, it's challenging naman po, pero everyday nagtatrabaho rin po ako sa training para lagpasan yung mga hurdles na yun and masanay sa pagiging middle na talaga this time.
Coach, yung next games niyo will be in Passi and it's against Dreamline and Signal. So, paano naman makatulong po instead of heading to that?
Well, we just have to focus on ourselves. Yung execution namin, yung pace namin, paano kami maglaro. We focus on ourselves, we improve, and then let's see kung sino man yung kalaban.